Hey everybody, thought I'd show something cool today. So many years ago, what is it, 24 years ago maybe, I was the art director at Electronic Arts Canada, and I worked on the very first Need for Speed Underground. So I was in charge of all the cars, how they looked, created a lot of the body kits and the graphics for them. So this in particular was Eddie's GTR Skyline. And I actually worked with Craig Lieberman. He came up to visit, and we collaborated on a lot of the parts for the cars, what would be chosen, and then I created the vinyl wrap graphics that ended up on the actual car. And this, I believe, was the one that got auctioned, or it was in a contest, an MTV contest, and somebody won it or something like that. But that was really cool to work on something that literally went from the game to real life. But yeah, a lot of times what I did was I would do drawings. I would take a photo of a car, and then I would draw like the wide body kit, what it's supposed to look like. And then the 3D modeling team would create the models. And then for a lot of the basic cars, they'd have like flames and stripes and stuff like that. But then for the top, whatever boss cars or something, there would be these like sort of ultimate kind of vinyl packages. And so I created a lot of the graphics for those. And some of them I drew from scratch. So this is like the infamous Acura Integra, and it had this sort of now infamous dabbing samurai on it, which is really cool. And I was so surprised when people, I commented on a video on YouTube or something, and someone was like, "No, that wasn't you." And I'm like, "Yeah, no, that was me that actually created that." And just today, I want to share this with you. I found this in the basement. This is the actual original drawing of the dabbing samurai. So this is a special marker paper, and you can see the markers just kind of coming through a little bit. You can see some pencil marks and stuff like that, but that is the original drawing of the dabbing samurai. So I'm so excited that I found that literally sandwiched in a box, but I hope you like that, but that is the real deal. All right. Thanks for watching.